Did you know that your ability to get up and down from the ground can be reflective of your overall life expectancy? Today we're going to go over some movements that you can do on your own to both move and live better. I'm Michael Hauber. I'm both a physical therapist and a strength and conditioning coach here at Elite Physical Therapy. I have a passion for just helping people move and live better. So today we're going to go over some tips on movements that you can practice on your own to help with that. Okay, the next tip we're going to go over, that's a really essential movement, is just your ability to crawl. So even though we do it as babies, it also plays a big role with teaching us how to coordinate, how to balance, and how to use our core when we crawl as adults. So one thing you can practice at home is just getting on a comfortable surface if you can, going on hands and knees like this, and as long as you're okay, try to crawl the length of your carpet or a yoga mat, trying to go forward with your opposite arm and leg. One thing to be mindful of, try to picture your spine almost like a tabletop. So if you're rounded like this, as best you can, make more of the focus on posture. And you might spend a good couple minutes just crawling back and forth. So I hope the tips you learned today were helpful to you. I hope they help you move and live better. If you'd like to learn more about you or your individual needs, or you would like your own free copy of my guide to natural movement, go ahead and email me at michael@eliteptkc.com. Or if you'd like to schedule a free 30-minute consultation with me, go ahead and contact our office at 816-941-2550.